Excuse me, I have snot on my lip. Just give me a second. I love how this blue hair really just matches my purple eyeshadow, you know? It just makes a lot of sense. I look stupid, like none of this correlates at all. Yeehaw everybody, it is me, Aaliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Yay. Ooh. Today we are doing an anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I just thought I would do something Valentine's, and I did it at Valentine's Glam, so we should do like something weird like anti-Valentine's like we used to do like in 2017. So I could be basic and be repetitive and be disgusting and ugly for you guys. I don't know what else to say. Valentine's Day is cool, I guess. I completely don't care about having a relationship at all. In my aspiration journal, I wrote that down to have a boyfriend, and I literally skip it now because I'm like, who needs a boyfriend? I need to get this business going, so I don't need no man. Wow, I'm so original and cool and quirky. I've been single my whole life, so why can't I just keep going, you know? Unless Harry Styles or one of the Dylan twins wants to like slide in my DMs, which I don't really, well, it could happen, but until then, I must stay single. If you're excited for the video, be excited. Let's get started. I just want to know how even with makeup on, I have managed to still look dead. I'm fine and so willing to live right now. Warning, I'm not in a good mood right now. I don't know what the flip is wrong with me. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed 2 days in a row, this being the second day. I'm drinking coffee, so maybe it'll change my mood. But right now, I want to fight myself, so I'm wearing this beanie because it's negative 2,000 degrees in my house, and I'm still drinking an iced coffee. It's not even cold, it's lukewarm. Warning, caution. If you like to watch people be in good moods, then you probably shouldn't watch this video. I mean, you should watch it because it helps me out a lot. If you do, you should also subscribe and hit the bell button. Oh, I'm struggling, so sorry I'm a failure. I'm shutting down. Okay, so first we're gonna start with Escape. I'm using the James Charles palette. You literally already know. I already primed my eyes and everything, so I don't know why I'm using this brush, but I'm using it. Let's see what happens. This went perfectly in my crease. Holy shiz. Wow. This is arguably like already a cut crease. Like you would see this and be like, you're wearing a cut crease, right? And I'd be like, sure, if that's what you want to believe. Sucker. This just inspired me. I was going to make it a half cut crease and shiz, but every video I do is literally a half cut crease, so I'm literally not going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to do a full ass cut. I'm going to do a full cut crease. Just come out burp. Like, I look so bad. Like, I look kind of good. I snatched my nose pretty well, but besides that, I look stupid. Love me. Please subscribe for my misery. I need validation from the outside world. Help. Now we're going to cut our crease in a anti-Valentine's Day way. So we're going to cut our crease like we cut off all the people that we're too scared to make relationships with. So any potential boyfriends, any potential friendships, we cut those off because that's what anti-Valentine's Day is about. You just don't accept love, I guess. I don't know. This video is not positive. I guess it just goes with anti-Valentine's Day theme. I'm just I am my full potential emo self. So you're just getting what you clicked for. I'm just gonna wing out this crease. And I did it terribly, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna make it through, I guess. Now I'm gonna set it. Now I'm going to make a wing eyeliner to like meet all of this jazz. Oh wait, am I stupid? Oh my gosh, yes I am. Now I'm going to get Artistry, hello, and fill in the crease with that, with the flip. I'll just change what the look is gonna look like in the end for like the 20th time. It keeps makeup being really funky and fresh whenever you just switch it up in your brain last minute. I never really do cut creases like this where it's like a whole cut crease. Kind of like it. I almost thought about doing purple liner just now in my head, like literally 2 seconds ago, but I'm not doing it. Have you guys been listening to Ariana's album? At first I really didn't like it. I just thought it sounded like everything else. Don't attack me. I kind of like it now. My favorites are... I'm so boring right now. I'm literally not here. I'm in space. I'm on Pluto right now. Like, I'm not even on a planet. I'm on like a used to be planet. Or if you watch Rick and Morty, apparently it still is a planet. Now let's do... Did you hear that? My throat got a frog in it or something like that. I don't know what people say. Bella, get off! My cat thinks it's okay to sit on our counters. Okay, let's do the under eye. My armpits probably stink. Oh my freaking gosh. It's been a minute since we've showered. I'm just gonna do the under eye. I'm literally just gonna use purple, so. Do you ever just like space out and go back to like 10 years ago, whenever, not literally 10 years ago, but like 10 trillion years ago, like back to a time where you like being awkward and you just think about it and you go and you kind of just cry, because that's just what I did. I'm gonna do my other eye and then apply my lashes, so be right back. Put the lashes on. I think one of them is like falling off and it's tickling my eye, so I should like fix that. I'm feeling better because I was listening to Ariana. What am I doing now? Okay, so eyes are done. Let's do the brow bone and inner corner. I'm just gonna use Facetune or whatever the flip. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Well, that was sad. So now I made a paper heart. Kind of like whenever I did the gingerbread man video, and I'm going to like put it on my face and like stamp it. And I'm going to do it with black because it's anti-Valentine's. So, yeah. If falling, needed something to believe in. No. I'm gonna stamp that ish on. Oh gosh, this is not. What the flip did I just do? Well, this looks absolutely stupid. So, let's figure this out. It looks like almost a heart. It's not dented enough. So let me cut this a little bit more. Okay, that should be better. But now I need to fix this one. I'm gonna get, this looks nice. I'm gonna get this tiny little detail brush and get the black and just kind of define the edges. Should I just do them like scattered, like freckles? I think so. I feel like I should do like little other hearts that are like filled in with black too. I have I Would by One Direction stuck in my head right now. I'm not mad about it though. I'm destined to lose. Oh, he's got 27 tattoos. Imagine saying that. I can't compete with your boyfriend. He has 27 tattoos. What the flip? Drawing hearts on my face is literally triggering me back to my other video. Imagine dating someone and not dating Harry Styles instead. You know what I'm saying? I'd be like, okay, Harry, if that's really what you want, you don't have to tell me twice. You're already my baby dad. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side of my face and I'll be back. 1, 2, 3. Is that what I was supposed to do? I'm gonna have to boo-boo. So these are my hearts. Nice. So now I'm going to put on purple lipstick. I was debating on doing purple or black, but since it's purple here and black here, it should be a pattern and go purple, black, purple instead of purple, black, black. It's just not, that's not a pattern. I always go for my Cupid's bow because I don't like seeing the dent in my lips. I like my lips to look like an oval. It was all in my head. Skirt, skirt. After 10,000 years of me trying to get myself to even be energized enough to make this video, I finally have done it. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this anti-Valentine's Day look, you know, just because it's purple and black. Like, I don't know. Remember whenever people did anti-Valentine's Day looks? I feel like I'm the only person in the universe who literally has done a Valentine's Day tutorial, and I suck for it. Sorry if you hate me. Don't worry. The feeling's mutual. About myself, I don't hate you. If you guys enjoyed this anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, then please give this video a big ol' thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you be notified anytime that I post. I sound like James Charles. I'm sorry that I'm talking so freaking fast. I'm just ready to take some selfies and go the frick to sleep. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Please subscribe. We just hit 500. We're halfway to 1,000. Let's get to 1,000. Like, what the flip? I love you guys. Thank you for everything. And I'll see you next time. Might be. Ooh, I just got snot on my lip. But I might see you. So you think. Bye.